Myself, Dr. Khan Romana. Today I will teach you about non-insect pest. Now, as you know that there are so many insect pests which give damage to our agricultural crop as well as to our stored food grains. Now, there are so many non-insect pests are also present which give damage to our crop as well as our stored food grain. Among them, rat, bandicoots, pig, birds, crab, snail, etc. These all are commonly non-insect pests which give much damage to our properties, crop productions, crop, field, etc. Now, important non-insect pests are rat, bandicoots, etc. Today we discussed about rat and bandicoots. Rat and bandicoots damage the agricultural crop plants like rice, wheat, jowar, sugarcane, etc. by cutting down the plant and feeding on them. Now, the groundnut crop is attacked by rat during harvest. Rat burrows damage the irrigation canals also. Rats causes heavy damage to stored grain in godowns. It has been estimated that a single rat consumes about 9 kg of food grains per year. It has been found that rat spoils about 10 times more than it consumes. In India, it is estimated that the rat population is about 2400 million. The common species of rat recorded in India are Rattus rattus. ब्लैक रैट्स जो हमारे आमतौर पे हमारे घरों में पाए जाते हैं, their biological name is Rattus rattus. The black rats are expert climbers and prefer to live in the roofs of the building. As well as they also make their burrows on our floors also. The rats as well as bandicoots are prolific breeders. Their breeding periods start at the age of 3 to 4 months and continue through the year. And a single female produces 5 litters in a year. Each litter usually consists of 9 to 10 young ones. Thus, a pair of rat may give rise to about 800 young ones in a year. In coastal areas of Maharashtra, the coconut is reported to be damaged by rats. They remain in the crowns of the coconuts, palm feeding on the nuts of all stages. They not only damage the grain and crop plants but also act as a carrier for some germs as well as for pathogens. Rattus rattus is a nocturnal animals. They are active at night time and at the daytime they hide in their burrows. Now, when we see about bandicoots, bandicoots are also nocturnal in habitat. They have elongated, pointed muzzle used for rooting the soil. They are pest of grains in the field and stored grain in houses and godowns and root crops as like a rat. When we see the control measures of the rat and bandicoots, we see that the rats and bandicoots can be killed by any one or combined method like hunting. हंटिंग के ज़रिए भी जो है वो रैट और बैंडिकूट्स को जो है कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. हंटिंग कंसिस्ट ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स अकम्पेनीड बाय ट्रेंड कैट एंड डॉग्स. कैट और डॉग्स की मदद से भी जो है उनको पकड़ा जाता है. मीन्स वो उसको कैट और डॉग्स जो अपना शिकार बना लेते हैं और इस तरीके से जो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द रैट एंड बैंडिकूट्स कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड. Men dig out the rat and bandicoot's hole, and when the animal comes out of the holes, cat or dog kill them. At times, the burrows are flooded with the water to force the rats and bandicoots out and they can be killed mechanically. उनके जो बिल जो होते हैं रैट और बैंडिकोट्स के, उसके अंदर अगर पानी डाल देंगे तो वो इमीडिएट बाहर आते हैं एंड इमीडिएटली दे आर eaten by cat or dogs. In this way, by hunting methods, they can be controlled. Another method is a traps. This is old method to catch the rats by various mechanical devices which are used in modified form in different locality to control the rat. This method takes much time and manpower. So practically it is very difficult to apply in large field areas. This method is also practiced in houses to catch the rat. With the help of traps containing attractive food near their burrows, rat can be trapped. घरों में अक्सर हम पिंजरा रखते हैं, उसके अंदर रोटी या ब्रेड वगैरह रखते हैं और उसको अट्रैक्ट होकर रैट जो है वो जैसे ही पिंजरे में आते हैं उनको पकड़ लिया जाता है. तो ये मेथड कहलाता है ट्रैप. इसके अलावा जो है देयर आर सो मेनी केमिकल्स आर यूज्ड फॉर किलिंग देम. पॉइजनस बैट के ज़रिए या टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स के ज़रिए भी जो इनको जो वो किल किया जाता है. जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल विद द हेल्प ऑफ जिंक फॉस्फाइड्स is very common poisonous used to kill the rat and bandicoots. It is a black amorphous poisonous powder which evolve phosphine gas when it comes in contact with moisture. The preparation of poison bat is as about 500 gram of moistened wheat flour is mixed with 30 gram of poison and the bat is divided into about 200 pills of equal size. 2 pills are kept near the mouth of the burrows in the evening. For bandicoot, bats of little larger size are used. तो जिंक फॉस्फेट को आटे के अंदर मिलाकर इसकी जो गोलियां बनाई जाती है और 2 गोलियां जो उनके जो बिल होते हैं वहाँ रख देते हैं और जब वो आटे की महक को महसूस करके बैंडिकूट या रैट उसको जैसे ही खाते हैं तो इमीडिएट दे आर किल्ड. इसके अलावा जो अनदर केमिकल्स आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड विच आर बेरियम कार्बोनेट. इसके अलावा जो है वो आर्सेनिक्स वगैरह जो होते हैं उनके ज़रिए भी जो है वो दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर किलिंग दी रैट और बैंडिकूट्स. इन दिस वे रैट और बैंडिकूट्स विच आर वेरी हार्मफुल and danger non-insect pest for man because they give much damage to the crop field, our properties, our land, our stored food grain, etc. In this way they can be controlled. Thank you.